Hello, my name is Fernando Serra from Teledyne DALSA. I'm here today to introduce you to our new product, the BOA IDR. It's a general purpose small vision system that allows you to do barcode reading, 2D matrix barcode, in OCR for most industrial applications where you require identification of the product before it leaves the production line. So this product can be easily used in applications where you have a code that identifies pharmaceutical, automotive part, or just any general manufacturing. I'm going to show you a quick example of how the product works. Once you start the IDR with a browser, basically you start a new application. What the new application says, you got images coming through the IDR, and you adjust your sensor. So at this point, you pick, good intensity, good contrast of the image, and then once that's set, you go ahead and you take an image of a good bottle, or in this case, or a good product. There's 4 basic tools that you see here. We have the 2D matrix, the barcode, and then the optical character recognition, or OCR, and then the pattern matcher. It's as simple as, if I pick this 2-dimensional code, you put the tool set, and if I expand on the tool set, you can see that the software auto-detects in the codes that 2D matrix, which basically points out to our website. You can dig down into more details of, for hard-to-read codes, whether you want scoring, what kind of an F4 you do. So there's a lot of flexibility on that point. Once you have that, that's accepted. Same thing with the linear barcode. You pick up the linear barcode, you highlight it with a region of interest, and automatically detects what it is. It's the text is a UPC code. We have a whole variety of all standard open codes, so you can detect and read any of them. And same thing, you can also dig down into the effort level to read it in case the barcodes are hard to read, a little bit damaged, and what the timeout is. As you can see, as I'm building the application, right below it's telling you I have a 2D matrix tool and a barcode tool. The next one is optical character recognition. I can highlight this region of interest that has a character set, right-click on that, and it gives me the optical character tool. I'm going to train a new set here and say add these characters, and then I'm going to select black characters on white background. It auto-detected 4 characters, and I can tell them what they are. Basically 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do Shift A for uppercase A and say add those, and now I have a library of those characters. So if I go back to the main tool, it automatically reads those characters. Once I accept it, now you can tell that I have, again, 3 tools: a 2D matrix, a barcode, and an OCR tool. To the control, I can communicate any of those results to any one of these protocols: Rockwell, Mitsubishi, GE Fanuc, and all other industrial protocols. And at this point, I can pretty much go to the run screen and actually capture the images, and you'll see that it reads the values. You can change the tolerances by actually seeing the text in there. And all this data could be saved to a main controller for quality control. Just like as well, I can create different user abilities so that for protection as far as passwords, so that for traceability of pharmaceutical or any specific manufacturing. So as you can tell, it's a very easy product to set up, very flexible. We can set as many boxes as you want in the screen, and very simple to apply to the question. Any more information on the product, you can always visit our website at www.teledynedalsa.com, and we'll be all glad to give you more information.